A green solution year-round, the best budget-friendly artificial grass of 2023. TLDR, artificial grass offers homeowners a year-round green solution that's low-maintenance and eco-friendly. With the market flooded with options, we delve into the top picks for 2023, ranging from the best overall to specific niches like pet training or poolside use. Is artificial turf the future of hassle-free landscaping? Maintaining a lush, green lawn can be a demanding chore. From watering to mowing, the tasks are endless. But what if there was an alternative that remains green throughout the year, devoid of the usual troubles? Enter artificial grass, a growing trend in landscaping. But, with numerous options available, how do you choose the right one for your needs? 1. Best overall, Sunvilla SV11 Turf Artificial Lawn Grass. Quality and durability are the hallmarks of the Sunvilla grass. With advanced UV-resistant yarns and an environment-friendly composition, it guarantees greenery that stands the test of time. Not only is it pet and child-friendly, but it also boasts of being fire-resistant. But what ensures the longevity of its color and integrity? 2. Best for cool weather, Savvy Grow Artificial Grass for Dogs Pee Pads. If you're battling cooler climates, the Savvy Grow ensures no puddle formation. It's not only pleasant underfoot but also boasts an eye-catching cyan green shade. But how does its color remain so vibrant? 3. Best for party decor, Pandar Artificial Garden Grass. Need a touch of green for your events? Pandar's artificial grass, with its bright color and easy installation, might be your go-to. But will it stand multiple uses and retain its vibrancy? 4. Best for swimming pools, Goasis Lawn Indoor-Outdoor Garden Lawn Synthetic Grass Mat. For those wanting to prevent muddy footprints around their pools, the Goasis Lawn promises an appearance even more captivating than real grass. It feels just as authentic too. But can it truly replace natural grass by the poolside? 5. Best for dog potty training, a Mosky Artificial Grass Turf 4-Tone Synthetic Artificial Turf Rug for Dogs. Training your pup can be messy, but with a Mosky's artificial grass, you might find the perfect solution. With its realistic look and durability, it's a favorite among pet owners. But how does it fare with multiple pets? 6. Best for backyard, GL Artificial Grass Turf Customized Sizes. A backyard makeover is incomplete without the right size of turf. GL's customized sizing might just be what you need for that perfect fit. It's both aesthetic and functional. But does it truly combine form and function seamlessly? With this rise in artificial grass options catering to diverse needs, it's clear that more homeowners are seeing its value. Not only does it cut down on maintenance, but it also offers a year-round aesthetic appeal. With natural resources becoming scarce, could this eco-friendly alternative be the future of landscaping? As we embrace artificial over natural, what does it mean for our environment and the way we interact with our spaces? First seen at original article link.